Welcome to the F11 4K Pro aircraft instructional video. Now you will be provided with a detailed introduction of F11 4K Pro aircraft below. Take out the F11 4K Pro aircraft and the accessories from the portable case. Remove the blade buckle. Unfold the arms of the aircraft in sequence. Tear off the sticker from the camera protection cover, then remove the protection cover. The aircraft includes blade A and blade B. Please make sure that all blades are installed in their respective right directions prior to taking off in order to ensure the safety of the flight. If this is the first time for you to use a battery, please connect the battery to the charger and keep charging for about 4.5 hours. When the battery is fully charged, all the indicators are blue on. Put the battery back to the battery compartment as the charging completed. Make sure that the battery is installed firmly. The charging time of the remote control is about 25 minutes. The red light will be on while charging. The green light will be on when it is fully charged. Remove the sponge from the remote control lever. Pull out the mobile phone holder and put the mobile phone on the holder. Press and hold the switch button for 3 seconds to power on the aircraft. Click the switch button to power on the remote control. Click and hold 3 seconds again to power off the aircraft. Click again and hold 3 seconds to power off the remote control. Fold the arms of the aircraft and install the gimbal protection cover. Thank you for watching the instructional video for the unpacking of F11 4K Pro aircraft. With the latest remote control design, F11 4K Pro can bring you better operating experience. From the right to the left on the front of the remote control, return to home button, power button, emergency stop button, speed switch, direction joystick, and throttle joystick. On the top from the right to the left, items are video, photo, adjusted angle of the camera, adjust the angle of the camera up and down, and zoom in or out. Icons on the LED screen of the remote control are given below. Speed display icon, fast, medium, slow. Left or right hand switch icon. Zoom in or out icon. Adjust the angle of camera up and down. Charging indicator. Repeater indicator. Switch between GPS mode and normal mode. When in the GPS mode, the indicator is on. When in the normal mode, the indicator is off. Photo icon, recording icon, return home icon, low battery indicator icon. Tips: when the remote control in low battery, the indicator on the remote control keeps flashing. Now please stop flying the aircraft and charge the remote control. App installation. Scan the corresponding QR code from the menu instruction and download the app. Open the app to enter the manipulation interface. Automatic takeoff. GPS return home. More functions. Remote control battery display icon. GPS signal icon. Aircraft battery icon. Setting button. SD card status. Switch between photo and video. Shutter button. Media library. One-click sharing, recording. Distance of the aircraft. Height of the aircraft. Speed meter per second. Image tracking. GPS follow me. Music. VR split screen. Adjustable angle of camera. Up and down. Zooming in and out. Filters. Route rules. Gesture video. Gesture photo. The above is the video introduction of the F11 4K Pro remote control and app. Thank you for your watching. The instructional video of the F11 4K Pro on how to match the frequency. put the aircraft on the horizontal surface. Firstly, turn on the power of the aircraft. Now all red indicators on the aircraft arms start slowly flashing. Enter the frequency matching status. Turn on the power of the remote control. Now the front white lights and the rear blue lights on the aircraft arms begin blinking. Means the frequency matches successfully. Turn on the Wi-Fi function from the setting of the mobile device. Connect it to the Wi-Fi and enter the app. Compass calibration. Push the left joystick of the remote control to the P1 o'clock position and push the right joystick to the 11 o'clock position. Now the front white and red lights and the rear blue and red lights on the aircraft arms start flashing quickly, and the app status displays. Enter compass calibration. Keep the aircraft level. Pick up the aircraft from the back and rotate your body in one circle, 360 degrees. Now the rear blue and red lights turn to solid blue. From the bottom, hold the aircraft vertically and camera is facing to the sky. Rotating your body in one circle, 360 degrees. Now the front white and red lights turn to solid white. Put the aircraft back to the horizontal surface. Starting or stopping the motors. Push the left joystick on the remote control to the 5 o'clock position and push the right joystick to the 7 o'clock position. Now the motors automatically to start. Repeat the steps as above and the motor automatically to stop. If you want to fly the aircraft when the GPS signal is weak, you can press and keep holding the return home button on the remote control for 5 seconds to turn off the GPS function and enter the normal mode flight. It is defaulted as beginner mode at the first flight. Refer to the manual instruction for detailed operations. Basic operation instructions. Simultaneously pushing the left and right joystick on the remote control to start or stop the motors. Push the left joystick upwards, aircraft takeoff, or click the takeoff icon on the app screen of the mobile phone. To take off, high speed, medium speed, low speed switch to operate the aircraft freely. Press the photo button on the remote control gently or click the photo button on the app interface. Now the photo indicator on the screen of the remote control will flash once. That means it takes one photo. Click the recording button on the remote control or click the recording button on the app. Now the recording indicator on the remote control will keep flashing. That means it starts recording. Original photos and videos will be saved on the SD card. Gently pressing the SD card and you can take it out from the card slot. When the SD card is inserted into the aircraft, card capacity and card remaining capacity will be displayed on the app interface of the mobile phone. Clicking the SD card icon, it will prompt to format the SD card. The above is the instructional video for the first flight of F11 4K Pro. Thank you for your watching. With the 2-axis gimbal, F11 4K Pro aircraft brings you with a better photographing experience. Equipped with 4K electronic image stabilization camera, which allows you to experience professional aerial photography. Turn the angle button on the remote control to adjust the angle of camera up and down. Zoom in or out, zooming. Click the zoom icon on the app screen of the mobile phone, or turn the zoom in or out button on the remote control to capture the distant landscape scenes. Route planning. Click the route planning icon on the app interface. Now a red circle is shown on the map. Plan your favorite route freely within the red circle. Click send and confirm the route you mark on the map, and the aircraft will fly according to the planned route. Point of interest. Hover the aircraft at the encircling center. pressing the photo button and video button on the remote control simultaneously. Move the encircling radius with the right joystick. Press the photo button and video button again, and it starts encircling. Otherwise, move the right joystick to cancel the encircling. GPS Follow Me. Click the Follow Me icon on the app interface, then the aircraft will fly following the positioning coordinates on the mobile phone. Click the Follow Me icon on the app interface again to cancel the GPS Follow Me function. Image Tracking. Click the Image Tracking icon on the map screen of the mobile phone. Operating according to the pop-up prompts, make a 360-degree rotation around the aircraft. Gesture Control Photo and Video. F11 4K Pro allows you to record beautiful scenes whenever and wherever you like. Gesture Photo. Click the Gesture Photo icon on the app interface and make operations according to the pop-up prompts. The right scissor hand means photo. There are 3 seconds countdown for posing. Opening the right palm means to start recording. Raise the right palm again or click the recording button on the app to stop recording. The above is the instructional video on the smart area photography of F11 4K Pro. Thank you for your watching. F11 4K Pro with completely new music and filter options. Change the style with your fingers. Music. Click the music icon on the app screen of the mobile phone. Select your favorite music and click recording. Now you can record a video. Filter. Click the filter icon on the app screen of the mobile phone. Select the filter to change the scene freely from a variety of filters. The 4K original photos and videos captured by the camera will be saved on the SD card. Click the Media Library icon. Select the video or photo and download it to the mobile phone. Click the Video Edition icon on the app screen. Select the video file, slide in the timeline and click the Edition icon to clip the video. Then click the Share button on the app and share it to the social media. The above is the instructional video for the multimedia edition of F11 4K Pro. Thank you for your watching. Instructional video for return home function and finding the aircraft. There are 3 return home types: GPS return home, low battery return home, low signal return home, GPS return home. Press the return home button on the remote control or the app interface of the mobile phone. Now the remote control will beep and the aircraft will return to the takeoff point automatically. Low battery return home. When the battery of the aircraft is low, it will trigger the low battery return, and the aircraft will automatically fly to the position about 30 meters high in the sky. Now please do not push in the right joystick forward, otherwise the return home function will fail and the aircraft may lost. The operator may control the aircraft manually or pull down the left joystick to land the aircraft on the safe place. Lose signal return home. When the aircraft is disconnected with the remote control, the aircraft will enter the return home mode automatically, and it will land on the takeoff position automatically. During the return home function activated, the aircraft will match with the remote control automatically. If it is connected successfully, the operator can control the aircraft again. Finding the aircraft on the app. Open the Finding Aircraft map interface from the app, which shows the last position of the aircraft. The above is the demonstration video for the return home and finding the aircraft of F11 4K Pro. Thank you for your watching.